Hi guys, let's see how to search within a specific column in Google Sheets. So let's say this is a column, just select this column, and after selecting this column just press Ctrl F and this option find in sheet search box will pop up, and now type your keyword and it'll automatically get highlighted. Okay, if you click on this it'll move on to the next searches. Okay, if you click on this will open with more options. Okay, if this is a formula you can select this and it can search within formula. If you want to match case, so if let's say you want that exact case should be matched, so if it is a uppercase then only the search result appears, then you can select this. Okay, so this is the first method. The second method is just select that particular column and click on format and click on conditional formatting. Now this is already selected because you have selected here, and click on it and click on text as exactly, and then just type the text or number. You can change the color of this, whatever you want. Click on done, and now it will automatically be highlighted. Thanks for watching. Please do like.